Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly consider hitting that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Today is another very beautiful day that I have to talk about something. There are so many people in my inbox asking about DC training. I have done several videos about DC hunting training, and if you have not watched the videos, kindly go watch the videos. I link up the links to the videos down on the comment section on the description box, so that you can be able to go and watch the videos and be up to date. So the question that people have, they were asking on the methods that you can be able to use to hunt DCs and how to go about it. I explained on my videos, but if you feel you are not up to getting a DC up to now, you can be able to come to my inbox and ask for more help. You can be able to ask questions on the comment section, and I'll be able to get back to you. An overview or a short overview about DC hunting. I say that to be able to hunt DCs, you should be able to write well. First of all, be a good writer, so that you can be able to do perfect job. You cannot go hunting for DCs if you're not able to do a good job. Have tools of work. Of course, you should have a laptop stroke, a smartphone. I taught on how you can be able to use your smartphone to do academic writing. If you have not watched my videos, I'll link them on the comment section and also on the description box, so that you can be able to go through the videos and learn how to do academic writing. So guys, before you embark on your journey for DC hunting, ensure that you have a laptop stroke smartphone. And as I have said, if you have not known how to use your smartphone to do academic writing, go to my comment section and description box and get links to videos on how to do academic writing using your smartphone. And then you should be able to use something like Grammarly and Turnitin. Remember, I told you that you should be able to check your grammar and plagiarism before you submit your work to your DC. So guys, if you have that, you can now come here and start looking on how to get your own direct client. I gave you the advantages of having a direct client, because you get your money like the way the client paid. Remember, the client is the one that puts jobs to the account, so that you can be able to pick jobs from the account. So if you have the client, it's way too easy, it's convenient, you're able to get a good amount of money. So you will be able now to come here and start getting the steps to hunt DCs. And I gave you very simple steps so that you can be able to follow them without having to get a hard time. And on my previous videos, you will get them step by step, and I'll get that there are people who prefer a step-by-step training. With that, I also have that step-by-step training. At the end of my video, I'll be able to tell you how you are going to get the step-by-step training. So guys, if you have more questions that I should answer them generally, you can be able to comment on the comment section and I'll get back to you. If you feel that you have a personal question, come to my inbox and I'll be able to assist you. So guys, I hope from my previous videos you can be able to get DCs, but I have good news for you. If you're not able to get DC up to this point, I have a very amazing offer for you. DC hunting training step by step. I'll train you until you are able to get your first client, no matter how long it takes, no matter the time. I know there are slow learners, there are quick learners. I'll go by your pace until you are able to get your first client. So you are guaranteed that you are going to get the client, because before we stop the training, I'll ensure that you have your first client, you do the first job, and you get your first pay. Guys, isn't that amazing? That's a very great offer, and I'm doing it at a very affordable fee. The one that everybody can be able to afford. It's very cheap. I'm offering it at only $50, $50 US. That's very cheap, considering that you will be able to get your client, do your work, and get paid. But then guys, I used to sell the client, but I want to make this clear from this point of view, that I'm no longer selling them. If you want them, come for training, because some people do take your advantage. You hear, you spend a lot of time getting the clients, and then somebody comes to your inbox. You tell them that I'm selling this client at 10,000, you pay 5,000, I give you the client, and then you pay the balance. After that, the guy will get the client. He will pay half of the price. After he gets the client, he starts issues. Imagine like 2 minutes after giving out the client. How do you judge that the client won't give you work? How do you judge that the client won't pay you? You should tell me that I did the first work, the client didn't pay. That's understandable. Like, give back a refund, or like give you another client. But a few minutes, that's not even understandable. So I end up losing the other half and getting back to the client and telling them that I'm the one now who is going to be doing your work. After referring somebody else to them, it's very impossible, because they will have trust issues with you. So from that point, I decided, instead of wasting a lot of my time getting the client, I better train you on how to get client. If you are to come to my inbox to purchase a client, I'm very sorry, but I can only train you on how to get the clients. So come to my inbox. I will only charge you 5,000 bob Kenya shillings, or $50. I'll train you up to the point that you'll be able to get a first client, do the first job, and get paid. So guys, it's become so easy. If you can be able to use my videos to hunt for DCs, well and good, I'll be happy for that. And kindly, if my videos help you, be generous, be generous. I'm sharing this information for free. Kindly give me a thumbs up, give me a like, give me a comment, and share to your friends so that they can also be able to benefit. And if you feel that you are not able to get the first client using my videos, you can come to my WhatsApp. I'll link my number down there, and you can be able to get help. If it's a step-by-step training, it will be at a fee, but if it's just answering your question, I'll do that absolutely free. So guys, I don't see any reason as to why you should stay at home with no job, and there are a lot of opportunities. You try this chance before it's gone. You might find that some years to come, some months to come, you will not be able to work in that dimension. Maybe there won't be online writing, we don't know. So I'm at this time that we have that opportunity before the opportunity is gone. So guys, I'm begging, just take a few of your minutes, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video. Ukitaka download pia the video, and you will be helping me so much. And guys, I'm requesting, leave a comment. If you watch this video, kindly leave a comment and a like. It will help me so much to push the content, guys. If I helped you, even if it's not this video but from a different video, kindly leave a comment on this video and a like. It will really push my content, guys. So at that point, guys, I don't have much to say. I will be seeing you on the next video, and be blessed and keep enjoying.